friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. In our last video, we have seen that how to install MySQL on our laptop. If you have not watched that video, please find the link in the description below, or you can browse our channel. So in this video, if you don't want to install the MySQL and still you want to do some SQL practice or you want to learn SQL, we have another way where we can use the Oracle Cloud. For that, we need to create a cloud account on Oracle, and it will give us some sample schemas where we can fire our queries, we can execute our queries. Even it gives us an opportunity to create some tables on our own schema, and we can create our own tables, we can create our own relationships and everything. So let's see how to create that account and how to use that tool. It has some drawbacks, definitely. But what are all those, we will see in this video next. So first of all, just open livesql.oracle.com. I'll provide the link in the description below. Here you can see start coding now. So now you need to create your own account here by using the create account option. Just fill up all these details, and once you are done with this, all the details, it will create an account for you. Once that is done, we can simply sign into our account. Once you are signed in, this is the space worksheet, SQL worksheet, where we can execute our own queries. So let's understand this tool. This is on a cloud, definitely, and on this navigation, click on this navigation, we will see the different options. So this SQL worksheet will give us option to execute the SQLs. How to do that and all, I'll just let you know. My sessions will keep your all the sessions history here. So this is, and these are the schemas. So now by default we are on my schema, means our own schema. Otherwise it will list all the schemas which are available to us for the querying. We will try to query some of the tables from one of the schema from here. Then my scripts, it's something you can save your own scripts and keep it with you. Tutorials, it's a very good thing is that you can learn some coding sequels from here by adding the tutorial to here. And code library is simple. This is available freely. You can simply click on the library and copy those needed. If you want to create some tables or something, you can just copy it from here from the code library. So let's go back to the SQL worksheet. Here now we don't have any tables in our schema, that's why it won't show us anything. But let's say we have a schema here, HR schema, and if you click here, it will list all the tables available in the HR schema. So let's try to query one of the table here. So countries. So go back to SQL worksheet, select star from countries, and let's execute this query. Run this query. Sorry, I think that spelling has some issue. COUNTRIES. Okay, here we are on our own schema. That's the reason we need to qualify it with the HR schema, HR.countries. So let's run it. You can see now. See, we have the query created here. So we are actually executing the query on HR schema table. Now let's say we want to create our own table. So let me create one table. Create table ABC. I'm just giving some random name, ABC, and one column. A is the column and its type is integer. Now let's execute this one. Let me select this and only execute that one. Otherwise it will execute all the statements. Table is created. Now let's select star from ABC. Let's run this query. So actually it has no record. So let's try to insert something here. Insert into ABC values. Don't worry if you don't know all these statements, SQL syntax. I'm going to cover all this in my upcoming videos, so it's absolutely fine. I'm going to insert 100 here. Let's see, and let's insert, run it. One row inserted. Maybe I will commit it. Before that commit, I'll just run it once again. A has 100 as a record. Now you see, in your own schema you can create any table, you can do your own work, and you can execute the queries. Also we have seen how we executed the query from the HR schema as well. So friends, this is the best way. If you have a good internet connection and you want to execute your own queries without installing MySQL big thing on your laptop, this is the best, but it has few drawbacks. I can tell you that it needs internet connection all the time because it's a cloud based. Second thing, once you created this table, and this table will be available only for that session. Once you close the session and re-log in back, and you try to create or execute the query against that table, it won't exist. Better let me show you how it reacts if we just log off and log in again, and we start the new session. Let's commit this record. Let's commit this record. So it's recorded, it's committed. So let's do one thing. Let me sign out. So I'm going to sign in again. Sign in. Now let's try to select star from our table ABC. Run it. Table overview doesn't exist. If you see a schema, nothing is shown over here. So those tables are valid only for a particular session only. So it goes by session. For that, definitely we can create a big script. Within one script you can create all the tables, and we can insert all the data, and every time you log in you will create all your database tables, and you can start your practice. But again, you need to maintain the scripts all the time. So these are the pros and cons of using the live Oracle SQL on your laptop. There are two different ways. I already shown you in the last video. We have seen how to install MySQL. That is a free version on your laptop. If you haven't watched it, please go and check the link in the description. You can install that as well, or if you want, you can use this live Oracle tool to do your SQL practice. So that's it from this video, my friend. Thank you very much, and please subscribe our channel. Keep supporting us.